Hello, my lovely. Welcome back to my kitchen. It is really good to have you here. And if today is your first time visiting, I hope you consider to join us by subscribing. So, my lovely, today I'm sharing with you the most easiest way to make a delicious big pot of peanut butter soup alongside a hack to make your rice bowls so stress-free. A very simple process, yet the taste is just incredible. Let's begin. I have here some cow food which I put briefly in the oven. You don't some smoked mackerel and dry beef. I have shared the recipes of the fish and the meat. Please be sure to check it out. To begin, I will start boiling the cow's foot and the tripe as they take much longer to cook. Please make sure not to overcook this as we just want to cook it about 50% for now. Now it is ready, we will begin. These are all my fresh vegetables with my Ghana taste peanut butter, and this is the quickest and the easiest way to prep your vegetables and peanut butter. So all my vegetables are in, and I've opened my preferences in such a way to host our next ingredient. Yes, so traditionally you know that we cook the peanut butter separately before we add it to the soup. But if you want it quicker yet delicious, try this method and you would thank me later. It's so easy to put together. So as you can see, I've just added a little bit of water and I'll put it on the hob to cook. Let it boil over like this, and meanwhile let's go ahead and add our dry beef or homemade impunam into our saucepan together with the partly boiled tripe and cow foot. And I'm going to add some of the stock from our beef tripe. Those got washed really well so we can incorporate it. Here in a blender I have some rosemary and thyme, and I'll go ahead and add red bell pepper, ginger, garlic and onion, as well as some Maggi tablets, and blend it smoothly to steam our meat. In goes my homemade Kenyan 6-spice blend together with some adobo seasoning, a little bit of salt, and then I'm going to cover this to cook. Hello, if you are still here with me, thank you so very much. I cannot thank you enough for your support. And if you have not already liked this recipe, please consider to leave a like on the page to help support the channel. Thank you very much. Now, as you can see, our peanut butter and the vegetables are ready, and you may want to leave this to cool down, especially if your blender cannot handle hot stuff. Add fresh ginger, a little bit of water, and blend it up. Isn't this easy and delicious? I really want you to try. Now my lovely, let's check on our soup and pour this vegetable infused peanut butter paste into our soup and stir it up and check for thickness, and then I'm going to rinse the blender and pour in more water. At this stage we're going to stir and then cover it to cook. Going back to our peanut soup, it is doing amazing. But let's add our smoked fish to give it even more delightful flavors. So I'll go ahead and drop them in. You may say, that smoked mackerel, kama. Please try and watch that video and make some. On the other side, I have some useful hack I want to share with you. This is the easiest, the quickest and the best way to do a mutu or rice balls. Trust me when I say this soup was so delicious, and the fact that I poured the oil from the peanut paste means that it wasn't too oily as well. I served it with the rice bowl, and to make it more authentic, I added a little bit of beans. Imagine this on a Sunday afternoon. It will be a blessed day indeed. With the remaining soup, I divided it into two. Froze one part, and we absolutely enjoyed this with awamo, yam, even gari eba or bread. It was so delicious. Please do not forget to activate your bell icon, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.